Hello, and welcome to our lesson on Advanced Project Management. This lesson on cost management and quality management will cover project quality management concepts, trends, and emerging practices. After presenting the fundamental principles of project quality management and its processes, we can highlight the following concepts that underscore the importance of adherence to quality standards, such as applicability to all projects. Project quality management is relevant to all projects, irrespective of the nature of their deliverables. However, the measures and techniques employed may vary based on the specific type of deliverables, such as software or infrastructure. Consequences of failing quality requirements. Failure to meet quality requirements can lead to severe consequences for project stakeholders. For instance, overworking the project team to meet customer requirements may result in decreased profits, increased risks, attrition, errors, or rework. Rushing quality inspections to meet project schedule objectives can lead to undetected errors, decreased profits, and heightened post-implementation risks. Quality versus grade. Quality is defined as the degree to which a set of inherent characteristics fulfill requirements, while grade refers to the category assigned to deliverables with the same functional use but different technical characteristics. The project manager is responsible for managing trade-offs between delivering required levels of quality and grade. Prevention over inspection. Prevention is preferred over inspection, emphasizing the importance of designing quality into deliverables rather than identifying issues during inspection. The cost of preventing mistakes is generally lower than correcting mistakes found through inspection or usage. Statistical control processes. Depending on the project and industry, a working knowledge of statistical control processes may be necessary to evaluate data in control quality outputs. Understanding terms like prevention versus inspection, attribute sampling versus variable sampling, and tolerances versus control limits is crucial. Cost of quality, COQ. The cost of quality includes all costs incurred throughout the product's life cycle, encompassing investments in preventing nonconformance, appraising for conformance, and rework. There are 5 progressively effective levels of quality management. Opting for the customer to identify defects is typically the most costly approach, leading to warranty issues, recalls, reputation damage, and additional rework expenses. Detecting and correcting defects before delivering the final product through the quality control process incurs related costs, primarily in the form of appraisal and internal failure costs. Quality assurance is employed to assess and rectify the underlying processes, not just address specific defects. Integrating quality considerations into the initial planning and design phases of both the project and the product. Fostering a pervasive organizational culture that prioritizes and commits to maintaining quality standards across processes and products. Contemporary methods in quality management aim to reduce variation and achieve outcomes aligning with specified stakeholder demands. Noteworthy developments in project quality management encompass, among other aspects, customer satisfaction, continual improvement, management responsibility, and mutually beneficial partnerships with suppliers. Customer satisfaction, focus, understand, evaluate, define, and manage requirements to ensure customer expectations are met. Approach combines conformance to requirements with fitness for use, especially in agile environments where ongoing stakeholder engagement is crucial for maintaining customer satisfaction throughout the project. Continual improvement framework based on the Plan Do Check Act PDCA cycle, following principles by Schuhart and modified by Daming. Initiatives. These include quality improvement methodologies such as Total Quality Management, TQM, Six Sigma, and Lean Six Sigma, aiming to enhance both project management quality and the quality of the end product, service, or result. Management responsibility, participation. Success relies on the active involvement of all project team members. Resource provision. Within its quality responsibilities, management must ensure the provision of suitable resources at adequate capacities. Mutually beneficial partnership with suppliers. Interdependence. Organizations and suppliers are viewed as interdependent entities. Partnership approach emphasizes building relationships based on partnership and cooperation rather than traditional supplier management practices. Long-term perspective favors long-term relationships over short-term gains, enhancing the ability for both the organization and suppliers to create value, respond jointly to customer needs, and optimize costs and resources. Each project is unique. Therefore, the project manager must tailor how project quality management processes are applied. Considerations for tailoring include policy compliance and auditing. What quality policies and procedures exist in the organization? What quality tools, techniques, and templates are used in the organization? Standards and regulatory compliance. Are there any specific quality standards in the industry that need to be applied? Are there any specific governmental, legal, or regulatory constraints that must be considered? Continuous improvement. How will quality improvement be managed in the project? Is it managed at the organizational level or at each level of the project? Stakeholder engagement. Is there a collaborative environment for stakeholders and suppliers? To navigate changes effectively, Agile methodologies advocate for integrating frequent quality and review steps throughout the project, rather than postponing them until the project's conclusion. Regular retrospectives assess the efficacy of quality processes, identifying root causes of issues and proposing experimental approaches to enhance quality. Subsequent retrospectives then evaluate these trial processes to determine their effectiveness, deciding whether to continue or discontinue their use. To enable frequent and incremental delivery, Agile methods emphasize handling small batches of work, incorporating numerous elements of project deliverables. This approach aims to identify inconsistencies and quality issues earlier in the project lifecycle when the overall costs of implementing changes are lower. This is the end of this segment of our lesson. This course is presented to you by South Europe College. Thank you for listening and see you on our next segment.